Hello everyone, my name is Professor B, and I will be giving you a geometry lesson today. And the lesson for today is finding the area of a regular hexagon. You might be asking yourself, what is a hexagon? A hexagon is an object with 6 sides. The word 6 has an X in it, and hexagon also has an X, so maybe you can use that as a memory tool to help yourself. Okay? The word regular means that the hexagon has congruent sides and congruent interior angles. Excuse me. Congruent means equal, so all the sides of the hexagon are equal and all the interior angles are equal. Okay, so let me draw the hexagon for you. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the very last side, 6. I'm just freehanding this right now, everyone, so bear with me, please. All the sides are supposed to be the same. Okay, so one of the sides will have a length of 10 centimeters, and all of the sides are the same. So let me tell you the formula that you're going to be using in order to get the area. So the formula is this: area equals 1/2 AP. Okay, so the formula is area equals 1/2. A means apothem, and P, let me spell that out, apothem. Not a possum, like on the side of the road, but little joke, little math joke. But apothem, and what an apothem is it is the distance from the center of the object, or rather a line from the center of the object to the center of one of the sides. Okay. So in our particular case, this line would be the apothem. Okay, so it's area equals 1/2 apothem times perimeter. And most of you probably know what perimeter is, but the perimeter is when you add all the sides together on the outside. Area is like if you were to think of a yard, the area would be the grass, and the perimeter would be the length of the fence going around the yard. Okay, excuse me. So let's get to figuring this out. Let's get the perimeter. The perimeter is equal to the number of sides times the length of a side. The length of a side. Okay. So there are how many sides to a hexagon, everyone? Don't everyone chime in at once? There's 6 sides, right? So 6 times, what is the length of one side? Well, it would be 10 centimeters, right? For this particular one. So 6 times 10 is 60 centimeters. And so 60 centimeters is equal to P, which is the perimeter. Okay. Alright, so now let's find the apothem. This is the part that's going to take a little bit of work, and I will show you exactly how to do it, so don't worry about that. Alright, excuse me. So what you're going to do is notice the fact that this hexagon is actually made up of triangles. Maybe if I could use a dashed line, and then I can show you. Okay. I'm freehanding this, so bear with me. If you notice, this hexagon is made of, and please ignore this apophthegm line right now, but that's one triangle here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so it is made of 6 sides. Let me see here. Okay, a little better. Alright, so you see 6 triangles here. Alright, so now what you're going to do is you're going to find this angle right here. And what you're going to do is notice that if you go all the way around in a circle from one place all the way around to another, how many degrees is that when you go all the way around? Well, when you go all the way around, it's 360 degrees. Good, good, good. So what you're going to do is you're going to take 360 and then you're going to divide that by the number of sides. How many sides does this thing have, everyone? How many sides? It's got 6 sides, right? Okay, and so you're going to go 360 divided by 6. Well, you can just say 36 divided by 6. Okay, and then you could just put a 0 on the end of that. So that is going to be 60 degrees. Okay, I'm going to blow this up even bigger, this triangle. So here we go. Okay, so this is representing this triangle down here. You might be saying, well, do I have to use the bottom one or can I use the top one? Well, yeah, you can use any of them, but we're using the bottom one for now. What you're going to notice here is that this whole angle is 60, right? And this side down here is 10, right? Because all of the sides are the same. Okay, well, when you draw the apophthegm chops the angle in half, or rather bisects. Just like bicycle has 2 wheels, it bisects, so it turns it into 2 different angles. Excuse me. And it's going to be half of 60. So this angle here is going to be 60 divided by 2, which is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, so we have 30 degrees here. But guess what? The apophthegm not only bisects the angle, but the apophthegm also bisects the side, right? So now you have 5 here, and you have 5 here. And that whole side is 10, but this is 5. Okay, what I'm going to do now is show you the fact that we're trying to find A, which is the apophthegm, and I'm going to take this triangle and I'm going to discard this part of the triangle, and I'm only going to look at the part with the numbers and everything on it, and I'm going to draw it over here. Okay, let's see here. It's a right triangle. Alright, so you have 30 degrees here. I just basically took this and just laid that part down and just brought it over. Okay, so this 5 is over here. Okay, so you could use trig to figure this out, or you can notice the fact that, wait a minute, this has a 30 degree, it has a 90 degree, oh, so the other side must be 60, therefore this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Aha! And every single time that you find the area of a hexagon, you're going to be using 30, 60, 90 triangles. So that can save you from doing trig if you're doing a test and you don't want to have to do tangent or anything like that. But let me just show you right now. So this is 30 degrees. Okay, now for a 30, 60, 90 triangle, I guess just a brief, very, very brief overview. 30, 60, oh my goodness. Can you give me a second chance for that one? Let me see here. So, just real quick. Oh my goodness. Hey, we're all human, right? Okay, well, basically, the side that's opposite of the 30 is equal to 1/2 of the hypotenuse, and the side that is opposite of the 60 is the side opposite of the 30 times √3. Let's see here. Yeah, I probably should actually draw that for you. So here we go. Bear with me. There's one side. There's another side. And here is the last side of the triangle. 30. Oh my goodness. This is the part where you're supposed to laugh, okay? A little comedy is okay every now and again. Okay, so Professor B is freehanding this triangle. And here we go. 1, 2, 3. Now I have to draw the 30 and 60 part, so that's the thing. So 30. Okay. 60. Okay. 90. Yes. So now you have 2x, you have x, you have x √3, and that's how it is. That's how it's going to be. Alright. Okay, so basically all you have to do is notice that the side opposite of the 30 is 1/2 of the hypotenuse, right? Because 1/2 of 2x is x, and the side opposite of the 60 is the side opposite of the 30 times √3. Okay? And that's how it is. So what we're looking for is A. And A is opposite of what degree measure? What angle is A opposite of? What's across from A? What's across from A? If you said 60, then you are correct. And if not, then watch the video 10 times. Okay, so here we go. All you have to do is multiply √3 times this side. So what we're going to do is say that A is equal to 5 times √3, or we're just going to leave it like that. So A is equal to 5 √3, and now we can sum it all up. So we're going to use this equation up here. Area equals 1/2 apothem times perimeter. And here we go. The area is equal to 1/2 times 5 √3, all times the perimeter, which was what? 60. Okay. Centimeters. Okay, now what you can do here is you could multiply the 60 times the 5 and then take 1/2, or you can chop it down first, and that's what I like to do. When you're multiplying, the root is not gonna I guess I'd like to say react. It's not gonna react with everything else. It's gonna just kind of kick back, and everybody else is gonna do what they do, and then he's just gonna just hang out at the end. So how I like to do it is I take 1/2 of 60, which is 30, and I'll write 30 over here, and then I multiply that by 5 √3, and then the 30 just multiplies by the 5. Okay, and you are going to get 30 times 5 is the same thing as 5 times 3 with a 0 on the end. And everybody knows 5 times 3 is 15. put on the 0, and then he's kicking back. Square root of 3 there. And this is centimeters, but since it's area, centimeters squared, everyone. Good, good, good. All right, well, that was a tutorial from Professor B. I live in San Diego, California, and if you need a tutor for geometry, especially for the summer, please call me and I will definitely help you out. If you do not live in San Diego, please know the fact or be aware of the fact that I will be offering Skype tutoring. Yes, yes, yes. I can tutor you if you're in Japan or Britain or anywhere you are, US, anywhere. So please get in contact with me. I will leave you my information right now. 619-309-7083. That is my cell number, and this is supposed to be a 9. Okay. That's my cell number, and my Skype ID is Math Professor, 2 S's, .B. Okay? So go on Skype, look up mathprofessor.b, and you can friend me on there, and we can get this thing rolling. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope this helped you out. Always know that when you're dealing with a hexagon, it's going to be a 30, 60, 90 triangle, so you don't have to use trig for this one. Okay, thank you, and have a wonderful day. Take care.